Of all of the units, this one is perhaps the simplest, so I don't think this will take too long at all. Advanced facilitation practice really is about two things. One is showing that you've done a whole heap of training, and two, that you've actually planned for it. So let's look at these two things. For the 100-hour component, there's really no hard and fast way to show evidence for it. What we're after is simply that you've conducted at least 100 hours of group delivery. That can be in accredited training, non-accredited training, in-house training, training for voluntary groups, lectures at university, or a million other things. The key here is to collect enough documents to show that it will equal not less than 100 hours. Often this will mean a combination of two items. So let's look at some examples. Some common ways include, you may provide a timetable that lists the classes and when they are, combined with something that shows you're the allocated trainer for that class, in which case the timetable shows the hours, the second bit shows it was you. For people who are paid on an hourly basis, then perhaps show us the contract that shows the role that you performed as training, and the invoice will show the hours, and in that situation feel free to remove any sensitive information if you'd like. For those who've gained their hours from a few different places, feel free to just create a table in a simple Word document that lists the various training that you've conducted, and then for each of those, provide supporting documents, which could be a number of these things listed above, or it could be something else altogether. So that's the first part. What's the second part? It's session plans. If you've done 100 hours of delivery, then chances are you will already have put together a number of session plans, and we'd like a few of them. So what are we looking for? Well, they need to be good enough that another trainer could pick them up and deliver the session. So the things that we're looking for here will be clear learning objectives, clear learning activities aligned with those objectives, what resources are required, and the timing that's involved. That'd be the minimum. If you don't have those, if you'd like to create your own, then have a look in the Useful Templates folder that's on your dashboard, and that can help you out. If you're not sure how to best deal with your own situation with this or any other unit, then just give us a call so we can find a way forward together.